Good morning students and welcome to the class. Today in our class we are going to start our subject English reader, or I can say English literature book. But before starting the chapter from our English literature book, first I want to just discuss some sight words with you all. Okay. The first question arises, what is the use of sight words? Sight words are the words that make our reading easy of our English language. Whenever we are reading the book, it is very beneficial for us, very useful for us because it makes the reading skill very easy. When we know the words and we are very familiar to the words, then it is very easy to read the chapter or read any book. Okay students, so start the sight words. The first word I am going to write is ACTION. You have to repeat with me. Whatever I will write, you have to repeat with me. ACTION. Action. What is the word? Action. What is the word? Action. 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 Okay. After then the second word ACTULLY. Read with me. ACTULLY. Actually. What is the word? Actually. Again. ACTULLY. Actually. What is the word? Actually. Okay. After then, the third word I am going to write, that is ALTHOUGH. Read with me. ALTHOUGH. Although. What is the pronunciation of this word? Although. What is the pronunciation? Although. Again we will read this word, okay? ALTHOUGH. Although. What is the word? Although. After then the next is CAUSE. What is the word? CAUSE. Cause. What is the pronunciation? Cause. Speak loudly, beta. If you will not speak, then how will you learn that how to pronounce the word? So repeat with me. CAUSE. 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 After next. CENTURY. 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 What is the pronunciation? Century. Again, what is the pronunciation? Century. 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 After then, the next word. The next word I am going to write is Condition. Okay, the word is Condition. Condition. What is the pronunciation? Condition. Again we will read the word, okay? Condition. Condition. What is the word? Condition. The next is Describe. What is the next word? The next word is Describe. Describe. What is the pronunciation? Describe. Repeat again. Describe. 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 Okay? Okay, after that, the next is Dissease. Dissease. Disease. What is the word? Disease. 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 The next word is Equal. Equal. What is the word? Equal. 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 Again, what's the word? Equal. The next word is Favorite. The next word is Favorite. Favorite. What is the word? Favorite. 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 Okay, very good. The next word is Necessary. 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 What is the pronunciation? Necessary. Again. Necessary. Necessary. What is the word? Necessary. After then, the next word. The next word I am going to write is, the next word is M-E-A-S-U-R-E. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Measure. What is the word? Measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Measure. What is the word? Measure. The next word is R-E-C-E-I-V-E. Receive. R-E-C-E-I-V-E. Receive. What is the word? Receive. Yes, pronounce again. What is the word? Receive. Then the next is S-I-M-I-L-I-A-R. S-I-M-I-L-I-A-R. Similar. Similar. What is the pronunciation? Similar. S-I-M-I-L-I-A-R. Similar. The next word I am going to write is T-H-O-U-G-H-T. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. What is the pronunciation? Thought. Again. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. What is the word? T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Okay. The next word I am going to write. The next word is F-U-R-T-H-E-R. F-U-R-T-H-E-R. Further. What is the word? Further. Further. F-U-R-T-H-E-R. Further. Okay. Total we have done 16 sight words. If we talk about the sight words, there are thousands of sight words. So as we will read our chapter, there I will just tell you the hard words, the new words, the words meaning. You have to just read, write and learn. That also, these all words, sight words and that words meaning, hard words, that all will increase your vocabulary. And if you have a good vocabulary, then it is very easy for you to speak in English language and it's very easy to read the English language. Okay students, this is the work that you have to do in your English reader notebook in very good handwriting. But before leaving the class, I will just again repeat these words. Okay, so repeat with me. The first word is action. Action. Actually. Actually. Although. Although. Cause. Cause. Century. 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 Condition. Condition. Describe. Describe. Disease. Disease. Equal. Equal. Favorite. Favorite. Necessary. Necessary. Measure. Measure. Receive. Receive. Similar. Similar. Thought. Thought. Further. Further. Okay, these are the verbs that you have to learn also. You have to speak loudly at your home and you have to just do in your English reader notebook in very good handwriting. Okay students, thank you.